Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're snowed in and I'm making the easiest Betty Crocker chili that I can make. Like many chili recipes, this is going to start with one onion chopped. So we're going to chop an onion now. And just make sure you chop it up. It doesn't really matter how you do it. With that done, we're going to go ahead and start cooking. We got our beef in the pot. Still a little frozen. That's okay. It'll work itself out. That's a whoopsie doodle right there. I thought you were done. With that done, we're going to start cooking. We're throwing our beef in, along with some onion. And we'll say half a teaspoon of powdered garlic. Now, I would prefer whole cloves of garlic, and I'd mince those up, but in a pinch, dry will do. It's fine. And again, we're doing this the easiest way possible. We're not going too crazy on this. We're just going to go ahead and let our beef brown. And in case I didn't mention it, that was 1 pound of 80% lean beef. You want some decent fat content, and you're looking to brown it. Once your beef is done, you're going to go ahead and drain it as much as you prefer to. I'm not a big drain it guy, but this 80% beef is kind of fatty. If we were doing a bigger pot, I would leave it all in, but we're not. 1 can of diced tomatoes, undrained. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Teaspoon of cumin. Cumin's great for anything with beans in it. It helps with the gas. Seriously. And a teaspoon of oregano. Recipe calls for half a teaspoon of red pepper sauce. I'm going to use a full teaspoon of red pepper sauce, aka Tabasco. You can use the hot sauce of your choice and mix it all together. We also want about half a teaspoon of salt. So we're going to throw that in there. And why not a little more? Now it's boiling a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and put a lid on it. And turn it down so it's just bubbling. And we're going to leave it like that for like an hour. An hour later, we're going to take the top off. Give it a little mix. See how it's coming along. If you're recording for some reason, watch out for the steam. Once we've mixed everything around, we're going to go ahead and add a can of red kidney beans. Again, not draining them. Give that a little mix. Now we're heating it back up to a boil, which should only take a couple of seconds really because, you know, there's not that much liquid here. And once everything's bubbling away, you can go ahead and lower the temperature so it just bubbles a little bit. And then we're going to leave this for another 20 minutes. And while this is going, I'll shred some cheese, I'll get my sour cream ready, and we'll be ready to go. 20 minutes later, and we're ready to serve. It's the simple things in life. A bowl of chili, some good cheddar cheese. I over cheese. It's in my nature. Sour cream on top. And just for fun, some pickled jalapenos. Alright, this has been cooking for a while. So you know what that means? I'm hungry. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Leave a comment down below, let me know what I should do. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.